Maria is solving the quadratic inequation. She arrives to the solutions x less than 0 and x less than 4. The problem is that when drawing the graph for the parabola, this clearly goes below 4 for values between 0 and 4. So Maria got the numbers right, but she messed up with the signs. Help Maria to figure out where she went wrong. Stop the video here and see whether you can spot the mistake. Maria went wrong when she took the square roots of 4 plus and minus 2. Don't get me wrong, I know that the square roots of 4 are positive and negative too, but the mistake comes when dealing with the sign. To avoid this pitfall, we simply solve the quadratic equation. This will lead to the same two values of x, which are correct, 0 and 4. Now, use your graph to ask yourself. The parabola goes below 4 for values between or away from 0 and 4. Clearly the answer is between 0 and 4, so the answer is written using the correct symbols. If you want to learn more about quadratics, visit the playlist. And until next week, happy learning!